A teacher of the law asked Jesus, "What must I do to live forever?" Jesus said, "What does the law say?" He answered, "Love God with all your heart, and love your neighbor as yourself."
Jesus said, "That's right. Do this, and you will live."
But the man asked, "Who is my neighbor?" So Jesus told a story. A man was attacked by robbers and left hurt on the road. A priest passed by and didn't help. A Levite passed by and didn't help. But a Samaritan saw him, felt compassion, and cared for him. He bandaged his wounds, put him on his donkey, and paid for his care.
Which man was a neighbor?
Jesus asked.
The answer:
"The one who showed mercy." Jesus said, "Go and do the same." 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 A man was hurt, left alone. Two walked by and just moved on. Then a stranger stopped to stay, helped with love along the way. Love your neighbor, near or far. Jesus shows us who they are. Who is my neighbor?
everyone.
What do I give?
Love and care.
What does Jesus say?
Go and do
How do we serve?
mercy's way.
Mercy's way. Go and do the same. Jesus said, "Show God's mercy, share His bread. Love your neighbor, strong or weak. Serve with kindness every week." Go and do the same. Jesus said, "Show God's mercy, share His bread. Love your neighbor, strong or weak. Serve with kindness every week." Jesus, help me see every person as my neighbor. Teach me to show mercy and love just like you.